Hello everyone. We hope you along with your families are doing well in the comfort of your homes. We welcome you all to Internware, the internship cell of IITM. A place where you make a choice every single day. You chose to be creative, you chose to be a leader, and above all, you chose to be a learner. Now, let me tell you all about Internware. First up, let's address today's foundational question: what is Internware? Internware is an educational and career-focused cell that aims at connecting companies and startups to enthusiast students. We aspire to manifest the latent entrepreneurial spirit of young students by hosting various workshops, speaker sessions, innovative quizzes and competitions. Internware primarily work as a liaison between the industry and the institute. Our aim, you ask, is to prepare the students for the future and also to prepare them for the interview skills and to polish their overall personality by integrating GD and other such variations. Now we move on to the next big question: what Internware does. We provide a platform for internships, as the name suggests, Internware. But how does that work is another big question. The answer to that lies in Internware's flagship event, Intern Hunt. Intern Hunt is an annual internship fair where 20+ reputed companies join us in our IITM campus for the recruitment drive and hire candidates for a wide range of job profiles like marketing, finance, sales, graphic designer, and many more, irrespective of their course background. Let's have a look at some of the companies that have so far become a part of Intern Hunt's recruitment drive. Internware focuses on overall growth and development, and in doing so, leaves no stone unturned to make sure the students are ready to face everything. Keeping the same in mind, Internware organizes various events all year round. One of its major events is group discussion. As it plays a crucial part in the hiring procedure, we organize a grand GD competition every year, where students get a chance to brush up on their public speaking skills and be more confident and empowered to face the corporate world. Another such initiative is Leadership Talks, a one-on-one talk show with the most potent leaders of the industry for the freshers to hear directly from the proficient on the dynamic leadership traits and get answers to all of their burning questions to help them become the leader in the advent future. Internware also organizes multiple corporate events all year round to keep the students hooked to the continuous process of learning. These events include HR Conclave, Leave Projects, webinars, and industrial visits. What is a corporate life if not balanced with little fun escapes now and then? Internware understands the assignment and thus organizes various fun and entertaining games, but with a twist and adding in some corporate elements in it. One such event is Brand Tambola. We hosted a virtual Brand Tambola during the lockdown that was exactly similar to Tambola, only the numbers were replaced by brands' logos. That's not it. PUBG competition powered by MTV was also organized on our campus. Celebration of the good deeds feels special when done right. Therefore, Internware celebrated its 3rd anniversary in the grandest excitement with Festoware, an event bombarded with multiple games, prizes, and fun. Festoware came with 4 different fun events to celebrate the anniversary of the cell throughout the month. What the Bug proved to be another exemplary event that Internware presented for our technical student base. It fashionably was the most awaited event for all the coding enthusiasts. The debugging competition provided a platform to enhance the participants' coding and problem-solving skills on 3 most in-demand languages, that are C++, PHP, and Python, in the most fun way possible. A team is the most essential part of any cell. The success of Internware is the result of unfluctuated motivation, determination, and sweat of its each and every team member. Your team is like your family. They fight because they are, after all, your family. And that is why they have to come back together. These are the words of our kind and motivated mentor. Someone we will always be thankful to. He is none other than Dr. Mandeep Singh, the glue that binds Internware together. Manager of Training and Placement at IITM and the Faculty Coordinator of Internware. Another person we all look up to is Ms. Gurwinder Kaur, the vertebrate support pillar of Internware and the Manager of Placements. Now talking about the core team, it consists our chiefs, heads and mentors. We have multitudinal departments, all working in a synchronized manner in the best way to provide the best result in each governance. We have in total 5 different departments working towards one goal. The first pillar is Content Media Department that lays over focus upon the content that is being used by the cell on different platforms. The very image of Internware stands upon the brilliance of the team ranging from idea generation to its final execution. The Management Department excels at planning and handling all the operational activities of Internware and thus making our job easier and team synchronized. Business Development Department thrives to develop our Internware and take it to new heights. The department plans strategies and bring out wonderful ideas to engage and get wider audience to connect with us and follow us on different platforms. It brings valuable partnerships and sponsorships in the events as they are a really crucial part in developing business. Having a robust tech support is the necessity of every organization in today's era. Our technical department manages and maintains the technical integrity of Team Internware, which is equally distributed in 4 tech pillars: web development, graphic designing, video editing and sound designing. We have Corporate Relations Department. Networking is an essential aspect of corporate world, and for Internware, our corporate relations team takes charge of networking, researching and inviting the companies and corporate leaders to our college campus for recruitment drive and other events while constantly maintaining the positive relations with them throughout the year. Lastly, we have a finance wing that manages all the funds of Internware while keeping a track of all the transactions. The finance wing is headed by our Chief Finance Officer. We are glad to announce that we will be coming with our recruitment drive real soon. Keep an eye on our social media handles and stay updated. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp group through the link on our website www.iitminternware.com and stay updated on all things from Internware. Thank you.